Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you an amazing trick to find the square root of the big numbers without calculator in just seconds. You might already know the basic square roots like square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 16 is 4, and so on. But when the number gets bigger, memorizing square roots is not practical. That's why today I will teach you a simple method you can use for any large perfect square. We will start with easy examples, then go to the bigger numbers, and finally we will solve a huge six digit number to impress your friends. Let's begin. First example is we have to find square root of 1225. Now first we have to look at the last two digits. Here it is 25, which is a perfect square of 5. So our square root will end in 5. Now we have to remove this last two digits. We are left with number 12. This is not a perfect square. So we have to take the nearest perfect square, which is less than or equal to 12. That will be 9. That is 3 into 3. So our first digit will be 3. And we have to combine the first and last digit, that is 3 and 5. So the answer is 35. Next example, the square root of 1849. Here we have to see the last digit. The last digit is 9. So 9 is the perfect square of 3. The last digit number can be 3 and 7. As we got the one number 3, next will be 7 because we have to take the total 10. So in 3 we will add 7 to get the 10. Now we have to remove the last two digits. We are left with the 18. The nearest perfect square less than or equal to 18 is 16. That is 4 square. So our first digit is 4 and the last digit can be 3 or 7. Here we can see that 16 is smaller than 18. So we have to take the smaller number, that is 3. So our answer is 43. Now let us try 5 digit number. First step, we have to see the last number, that is 6. So the number can end in 6 and 4, as we have to see the total should be 10. So if the one number is 6, another will be 4. Now we have to remove the last two digits. So we have 547. Now the nearest perfect square, which can be less than or equal to 547, that is 529, because 23 into 23 is equal to 529. So our first part is 23. We will write 23 here. Now the last part can be 6 or 4. As we know that the 529 is less than 547, we have to take the smaller number. We can write 4 here. So our answer is 234. The next one is 6 digit number. Now we have to look at the last number, that is 4. Here the 4 is the perfect square of 2. So if one number is 2, another number will be 8. We have to remove the last two digits and find the perfect square which is equal to or less than 5212. And the nearest perfect square less than or equal to 5212 is 5184, which is 72 into 72. So our first part is 72. And as we can see that 5184 is less than 5212, we have to choose the smaller number, that is 2. So the answer is 722. And that's how you can find the square root of big numbers in just seconds. No calculator is needed. Try this method with your friends and tell me in the comments the biggest number you solved. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. See you in the next video.